Namaste and welcome to the Voice of Bharat, presented by the students of Ramakrishna Gyan Mandir, also part of RSV Vidyapit Group. It contains special day, national news, educational news, international news, economic, sports, weather report, and RSV Vidyapit special highlights. Today is World Science Day for Peace and Development, an international day celebrated by UNESCO to highlight the important role of science in society and the need to involve the wider public in debates on emerging scientific issues. It is also celebrated as World Immunization Day, a global observance to emphasize the importance of vaccines in preventing life-threatening diseases and protecting public health. National news. Andaman Islands earthquake. An earthquake of magnitude 5.4 jolted the Andaman Islands. India's climatic commitment. India has reaffirmed its climatic commitment ahead of the COP30 summit in Brazil, including joining a forest protection initiative. Vande Mataram celebration. Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched the 150-year celebration of the national song Vande Mataram, calling it a mantra of unity and energy. The Supreme Court of India is scheduled to hear a petition regarding the Air Force India crash report today, which will be a key development in the ongoing case. Cold wave conditions have been officially warned for parts of East Rajasthan and West Madhya Pradesh by the IMD, India Meteorological Department, with temperatures dipping significantly. International news. China exports have reportedly slumped, marking the worst drop since Friday, February, which is being attributed to persistent US tariffs and weak global demand. The ongoing US government shutdown continues to affect the international economic landscape, causing a delay in the release of key US economic data, which creates blind spots for global policymakers. Russian oil exports to India have seen a sharp decline following fresh US sanctions, promoting Indian refiners to explore alternative solutions. Education. Mandatory skilled education orientation. An online orientation session on the mandatory implement of skilled education for class 6 to 8 is scheduled to be held by the CBSE today at 2 p.m. No counter signature needed on transfer certificates. CBSE affiliated schools are no longer required to ask for a counter signature on transfer certificates, TCs. The board has emphasized the mandatory uploading of a scanned copy of the TC to streamline the process. Preparing for board exams twice a year, 2026. In line with the National Education Policy, NEP 2020, the CBSE will conduct class 10 and 12 board exams twice a year starting from the 2026 academic session. Phase 1 exams are scheduled for February to March 2026 and an optional Phase 2 improvement exam will be held in May to June 2026. Students will be allowed to retain their best scores. Delhi government launches school web app. The Delhi government has launched a new web application aimed at digitalizing education and streamlining administration across its schools. Economic news. The Indian stock market is expected to be under close scrutiny as investors await the release of crucial India's CPI, Consumer Price Index, inflation tax data, which will influence the market's trajectory. The market sentiment in India remains cautious, with foreign portfolio investors (FPIs) continuing to sell Indian equities, pulling out over rupees 12,500 crore in the first week of November. The upcoming corporate earnings from prominent companies like ONGC, Bajaj Finance and Tata Steel will be a major focus for domestic investors this week, providing crucial sectoral cues. Sports news. IPL 2026 auction date. The IPL 2026 auction is likely to be held on December 15. Para archer Sital Devi historic selection. Para archer Sital Devi, born without arms, has been selected for India's able-bodied junior team, a historic first ahead of the Asia Cup Stage 3. India defeats Australia in T20. India defeated Australia by 48 runs in the 4th T20 in Queensland. Rahul VS becomes India's 91st Grandmaster. Rahul VS has achieved the significant milestone of becoming India's 91st chess Grandmaster. Chess. The weather will be sunny. The weather will be sunny and clear with no rain expected. Current temperature around 19 degrees Celsius, high temperature expected around 28 degrees Celsius, low temperature expected around 17 degrees Celsius. Humidity moderate levels around 62% during the day. Wind, light breeze from the north around 7 miles per hour. UV index, moderate. RSV Vidyapit special highlights. RGM school has successfully commenced its special practice guidance SPG class today. The primary objective of this program is to provide additional academic support and concept clarity to students in various subjects. The SPG classes aim to strengthen students' preparation through regular practice, personalized attention and focused guidance from teachers. The students participated with enthusiasm and dedication, marking a productive beginning to this new learning initiative. RSV Vidyapit pleased to announce that the Support Visit Program SBP will be conducted by Astrogen at RGM School. The first visit aims to provide academic guidance, training and monitoring support to ensure quality teaching and learning practices within the institution. The RGM team warmly welcomes the Astrogen representatives and looks forward to a fruitful and collaborative session that will help enhance the school's overall academic standards. Thought of the day: science knows no country because knowledge belongs to humanity and is the torch which illuminates the world. Lois Pastor. Thank you. Have a nice day.